Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to quickly jump on here and do a super quick video because I just seen a product online that I was literally like, I need in my life immediately. So Makeup Revolution have just brought out their brow soap styler. I've seen a couple of really viral videos on this product online and I just thought, I need this in my life immediately. So I'm going to give it a good try. This costs £6. It's got your kind of soap pan here and a little brush which looks like a toothbrush. So I have tried this before already. I've been playing about with it a couple of days because I didn't want to do a first impression, because sometimes I think with brow products you do need to kind of, you know, get in there and find out how it works for you. I think I found a way that makes it work for me, so I want to share it with you guys here. So if you want to see what I think of the Makeup Revolution soap styler, then just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, when you open it up, you've got your little pan of like soap, wax, whatever, and a little tiny brush which looks like a toothbrush. So for me, I find that when you get little applicators like this, like with things when you buy them, I'm never the biggest fan, but I thought for this time I would give it a little try and see how I got on with it. So we're going to play with that today. So what we're going to do first is just find my spoolie. Oh, I bought a brand new spoolie and I literally lost it within no time. So I'll just use the one from my little Benefit brow brush that I use most of the time. Oh, let's zoom in because that's a brow tutorial, so let's try and see it up close. I'm going to just start off by brushing my brows up. Me and my brows have been on like such a journey over the last few years, as you guys know. So finding something new, we'll see how it works. Who would have thought that Allan would have embraced the fluffy brow? Not me. So I'm going to just, it says to wet your brush, so I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus and just give it a little soak, and then it says to wipe it back and forward in the pan, so we will wipe it back and forward in the pan. I know the soap brow trend has been going on for a while now, but this one is £6, so I thought it'd be silly not to give it a try, but we'll see how it works on my brows. So I'm just going to start by pushing the brow hair up. The first time I used this, I really didn't think I liked it because I felt like it was leaving like a kind of line, like a line around the edge of my foundation, and it wasn't helping me blend my brows up properly. But I've been playing about with it and I don't mind it. I don't know if it's so far going to be my favourite brow product of all time, but you never know, because I actually think it looks nice and fluffy when it's done. You know how my technique is that I normally take a little angle brush and I just like to draw the brow hairs upwards and really push them against the skin to give them that kind of really like, almost laminated look, but also to make them look super like fluffy, volumized and thick. When I'm doing this with my Subversion Lash Primer, which you guys know is my favourite brow product, I feel I get a lot more oomph to my brows. However, I think this could be really good. I seen a boy do a video with this and his brows looked phenomenal and I was like, okay, I need that. But sometimes you have to just admit that these people have got better brows than you in the first place, so you're never going to get those proper fluffy brows. But we can definitely try. I really do like my brows being a little bit fluffier now, which is weird because I used to always love that really sculpted, really carved, really like Instagram brow moment. But recently I like the kind of fluffier brow and looking a little bit more HD, just because I like my brows to look super like fluffy and big, but still really sculpted and really like sharp, but just a little bit more natural on the top, so at the bottom's got all the kind of structure and it makes my eyes look a little bit bigger as well and raises that brow bone up a little bit. So I'm just going to try and work the hairs up into place. I'm switching between the little brush that it comes with and my own brow brush, and what I'm being really careful to do is push the brow hair against my skin, because you know that's how I like to get my brows that really nice kind of fluffy look. If you guys are wanting to see my kind of everyday go-to brow routine, I will link it, maybe one of the little cards up here, but sometimes I switch between a brow pencil and like Dipbrow, so it just kind of chops and changes. So I'm finding that this is actually, the more I'm getting used to this product, because I have been using it for a few days, the easier I'm finding it to work with. The first day I got it I was like, I don't think this is going to be the one, sis. However, I am, the more I play with it, finding that I'm kind of getting my flow. So I think if you were to get this, it's maybe one that you just wouldn't want to give up on right away and give it a couple of days to play with it, because the effect is actually really quite nice. So I'm just going to finish my brows as normal, but hey ho, let's just do it on camera. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Dark Brown Dip Brow. This product and me have been through journeys. I recently rediscovered it again, and I kind of feel like I've been missing out by not using it for so long. And I've also got this new favourite brow brush. This is a Jessup brush. It is the 312 Detail Liner. I picked this up from Amazon in a set that was like not even £20, but I really like it for applying my dip brow. I like to just make sure I'm coating I like to just make sure that I'm coating both sides really evenly, and then I'll usually, the lid of this is disgusting in the inside because I like to clean off the excess and get it really sharp. The thing that I think is hilarious is that I used to use this like a thick cake for my brows, and now I like something a little bit more subtle. I literally just use it for a quick underline. So I just like to kind of extend the tail a little bit, and I like to often bring it a little bit lower at the front just because it creates the illusion of more of a lifted brow. And then once I've done that, I like to just take the brush on its side with whatever excess is left and just push that pomade up into my brows and just make sure that it's super blended into the actual hair, because we're kind of drawing my kind of base of my brow a little bit lower than where it naturally falls, just so that my brows look longer and fluffier when they are done. Now I'm going to do my final step in my brow routine, which is of course my beloved Brow Blades by Urban Decay in the shade Brunette Betty, and I'm going to just do little hair strokes just so that my brow has a little bit more dimension, a little bit more depth, and also a little bit more of a kind of 3D finish. Okay, the brows look super cute, I quite like that. I like it a lot. So I'm going to just do the other brow off camera, and then I'll meet you back here for my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm just finding that as I've kind of done my other brow and I carved them out, they have kind of fallen a little bit, or they're not sticking up the way that I normally would do. I think not if it's maybe because I've used too much product or what, but I'm brushing them up. I'm guessing maybe it's just they're going to look a lot more natural and fluffy, but I like my brows to be kind of hairsprayed into place. But hey, overall I would say that for the £6 you're paying, this is really, really good. I really quite liked it. Really easy to work with after the first few tries. I would say your first day you're using it, don't be having any plans. Be planning to do your brows in the house. Hold on. This brow is just not sitting how I want it to at the front. Yeah, definitely play about with it first before you commit into like a night out or whatever with this, but I would say it's definitely one to give a try for £6. So yeah, that was a really quick and super easy brow video. I'm not going to finish the look now because I'm about to film another look that will probably be up before this. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this little fluffy brow look, if this is the product you were trying out. Also make sure that you hit subscribe before you leave, please, please, please. Give the video a big thumbs up, like it, share it, get me on Instagram, get me on Twitter, you know the drill, and let's chat in the comments, tell me what your favourite brow product is. I'd love to know because I'm looking to always try new bits and bobs. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you next time. Bye, see you later.